In this video, I'm going to give you some hints on microfiber cloths. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while we're here, give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a thing to give me a thumbs up, but it will help my channel. And also comment and share my videos. Today I'm continuing on with my Healthy and Natural Home series. So in today's topic, we're going to talk about 25 ways to use microfiber cloths. Yeah, your girl been doing some digging, trying to find more ways of using these cloths since everybody's into them now. So it has to be more ways to use them other than what I use them for. So they're not in any particular order. This is just what I Googled. Okay, you can clean computer monitors, doors. You can clean furniture polish, which I use them for. You can use them to clean your cabinet fronts. And you can use them for countertops. You can use them to clean your cell phone with rubbing alcohol and distilled water to clean your cell phones. You can use them for dusting. You can use them to degrease the backsplash on your kitchen. You know how you clean that backsplash? You can use that with the cleaner to clean that off. They can be used to clean mirrors. You can use them for the car interior. You can use them to wipe down your wash machine, the inside gasket, that rubber gasket, and on the inside to make sure it's clean. You can use them to clean the glass in the windows. You can use them to polish your silver. You can also use microfiber cloths to clean your stovetop, which I do. You can use them to clean the refrigerator to wipe it dry and clean. Like when you do my refrigerators, once I put the vinegar on there, I use the microfiber cloths to dry them down. You can use them with a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use microfiber cloths to wash dishes and to dry dishes. You can use them as towels. You can use them to clean your eyeglasses. You can use them to clean the faucets. You know, you put the chrome polish on your water faucets in your kitchen and your bathroom. They polish them up really well. You can use them in your home office as a multi-cleaner where you dust off the keyboards and dust the table, all that good stuff. You can use them on stainless steel appliances. They're really good with the refrigerator front and the dishwasher and your oven. They're really good. You can also use them on your television or tablet to clean electronic to clean your electronics. You can use them in the bathtub. Now, if you want to keep them shiny and to get rid of the leftover product, like when you've cleaned them down with your Fabuloso or Mr. Bubbles or your Method bath cleaner or your Mrs. Myers bath cleaner, whichever you use. Once you rinse it out and you clean it out, you take your microfiber cloth and you go around and it's like drying the tub down and talking about shine. It does. It shines really well. You can also use them in your kitchen sink. After you've you threw your dishes, you rinsed it out, you scrubbed out to make sure it was clean, you use your microfiber cloth to dry out your sink and make sure that it's dry and doesn't get water stains. Those are 25 ways that you can use your microfiber cloths. I know it's a lot. And I did my research. I searched it up to see what else can be used with these things other than the things that I was using them for. So if this was helpful to you, please let me know down below in the comments. And I hope this helps someone today. If you haven't gone already to check out creatively.me.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest update. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me.